Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve failed searching on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve failed searching on Facebook, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to Facebook app and you can click here. Then you'll enter to first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.